So from a unified namespace perspective, you have quite of a well-established structure that you use to actually guide people or give some ground basis so that they know where to find what and they know what to use the data for and how is it connected. I think the ontology side will just enrich that. I mean, unified namespace, you could almost see it as more of an hierarchical structure. Actually, if you then enrich that hierarchical structure with all these different dimensions, so the different domains, you know that you have in your company, and you actually start to bring a lot of these different perspectives, then you can do a lot more with the data. And also knowledge graphs allow you to connect all the data that you have, while the unified namespace may be more towards real-time data. This will give you the ability to know where to go to fetch the right data. Also, it enables you not to move the data around because you don't want to replicate the data to create a big data lake or a big structure of data where you have everything. But if you have the unified namespace where you have the real-time data and you want to complement that data with more contextualized data around it, then this gives you the structure to know, okay, if I want to see this from this perspective, then I know where to go and I know how to enrich that and contextualize that data to allow me to do more things and bring more data that might be relevant for the decisions that I need to take based on real-time data and based on the contextualized data that I need to have around that area to take. So that's, I would see it more as a layer on top that will allow to enrich what the unified namespace already provides to you.